this will be the beautiful and spacious living and the dining area, the open kitchen concept where you can, this will be your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Paradise on Earth, which is located off Kanakpura Road in Gangsandra, South Bangalore, and this project is developed by Urban Rise. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK plus home office sample villa. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So, I am standing exactly in front of the marketing office, and this is the marketing office of the Paradise on Earth. And about the land parcel, so exactly this is the land parcel, and the construction work is going on just on my right hand side. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 24 acres of land parcel with just 219 individual villas consisting of 4 BHK villas, 4 BHK plus home office villas, and soon they will be launching with 5 BHK villas. And one more USP point of the project is the entire 24 acres is on solar power. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you overall 80 plus luxurious amenities with this is 32,000 square feet of clubhouse, which includes the infinity pool, all the indoor activities and the games, as well as the Urban Rise Genius, that is the learning center. And other than this, you'll be getting over here that is the bird watching deck. The entire project will be covered with 1,500 trees, edible garden, picnic spot, and there is much more amenities in this project. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located in Gangsandra of Kanakpura Road in South Bangalore. And let me show you that this is the internal road, and this road will connect you towards Mysore Road and Kanakpura Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, BGS International School is 2 minutes away from the project. You can connect to Silk Board Metro Station in just 15 minutes. And Rajarajeshwari Medical College is 25 minutes away from the location of the project. So this is your 4 BHK plus home office of 2,934 square feet villa. Let's have the villa tour. So let me show you before entering towards your beautiful and spacious villa. This will be your private veranda. And even I would like to add up, this will be the independent villa over here. This side is the open space that connects you towards your villa from inside. Now we'll be checking out later on. So let's move inside from the main entrance. Once you check out over here, this is the main entrance with the digital door lock for the privacy purpose. And now this will be the beautiful and spacious living and the dining area with the bay window. So this is the masterpiece where you can enter after the chaotic day. This side you can add up your dining table, is a window over here, and one more plus point. It gives you an open space where you can add up a chair and a table and have a sip of coffee or a tea. Exactly in the front of the dining area is your kitchen area with the open kitchen concept where you can add up your cabinets, your platform. Kitchen provides you with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And even this side is your utility area, that is a dry balcony with anti-skid tiles and the half structure wall. Again, this is an open area that connects you towards your outside. Now, there is much more space on the ground floor. This is the lift area with the powder area. with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this side is your bedroom number 1 with wooden finishing flooring. And let's move inside. Let me show you the bed space, the wardrobe space, the beautiful bay window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This side comes the wardrobe space and even attached washroom. So over here is your attached washroom with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your first floor. So as mentioned, they are providing with the lift provision. So let's now meet on the first floor. So now this is your first floor, and once you enter your first floor, this side is the family lounge where you can add up your couch, your sofa set in front of the TV unit. Even you can add up your Devghar over this side. And now the stunning balcony is here with wooden finishing flooring, anti-skid tiles, that is with toughened glass railing and giving you beautiful scenic view. Now moving towards your bedroom space. So this floor contains 2 bedrooms. So 1 bedroom over this side. So basically this will be your bedroom number 2. Once you enter this bedroom, and this is the space, the spacious one with the bed space, and over here is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can even add up a couch over here. The beautiful part, that is the balcony. This is a balcony with anti-skid tiles and toughened glass railing, again giving you the beautiful view. Now about the washroom, which is even attached to your walk-in wardrobe. So this is the walk-in wardrobe. And your attached washroom with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards your bedroom number 3. So exactly in front of this bedroom, that is crossing your family lounge, is your bedroom number 3. And once you enter, you can check out the space over here with the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, again attached to a beautiful balcony. So this is the beautiful balcony which gives you 2-side open view with toughened glass railing and with wooden finishing flooring. Now about the attached washroom. Yes, over this side is the attached washroom with a window and even the wardrobe area. So this is your attached washroom with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now again moving further towards your floor number 2. So see you on the floor number 2. Now this is your second floor where you will be getting 1 bedroom and about the home office as well. So let me show you the home office first. So this will be your home office where you can add up your office, your study room, or else you can use this room in a multi-purpose way, which gives you a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about your master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you what all key features Housey provides you also. Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit and register for free on Housey.com. Now let me show you the master bedroom. So moving out from your home office, this will be your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful room over here with the bed space, the wardrobe space. This is your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can add your TV unit over here and with the attached washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now there is one more surprise for you all. So over this side is the best part of this villa, my favorite part, and that is the open terrace area. So you can check out the beautiful space over here, the spacious one, which is provided with a platform and a sink. There is an iron railing and half wall structure over here. You can add up your couches and much more things. Even you can organize a small party for your family. So how was it? This was 4 BHK plus home office villa at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Gangasandra location. Have you checked out the project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section again. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.